Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. You can see here with either key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. The power blind ramp comes out. You can see the van kneeling. The kneel works. 29.5-inch wide ramp. You got a 52.5 coming inside the van, then about 57 inches once you're inside the van. Very clean carpet, looks darn near brand new. Nice clean back seat. We've got our swivel seat here, so this will allow you, if you want to come in and park your power chair or your wheelchair, come in and get the keys out of my pocket here, and we can sit down in the chair. Then we hit left, turn me towards the left here, and then you got the front. You do have to have the seat all the way down because it will go up and down. You have to have it all the way forward to get it to work, to get the vehicle to start. Here it stopped beeping at me there. It means I'm in position. You have to be all the way forward, and the seat has to be all the way down. You can fire up the van, and you're ready to go on your next adventure. You can shut all the power doors up here. I'm gonna shut the driver's sliding door there. But as you can see, very clean interior. Looks darn near brand new. Very nice. Got your cup holders in the rear. Got your upgraded Q-straight tie downs. We throw those in at no charge to you. A lot of our competition is going to charge you $600 to $800 to include those. We throw them in at no charge. Got your Q-straight warranty and tie downs there. Got your, can turn the kneel on and off. I've got the kneel turned on right now. Got your cup holders. You can operate the conversion right here as well. Dual climate control, rear air. Dash is in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. And you got your hand controls, or the knob there, and your hand controls. So fully set up here for you to be 100% independent. You don't have to wait on anybody to give you rides anymore. You go when you want to go, and you leave when you want to leave. I'm going to shut this door here, hit the button twice. Show you the back here real quick. It's got storage space in case you want to take any trips. Your spare tire in the back there. And these seats will even fold down. Very simple. So if you do want to make a trip and you need some extra room for luggage, you can fold those down and use the back seat as well. As I do a walk around of the van, it's got the roof rack for extra storage, tinted windows. It's got Michelin tires with alloy wheels. These Michelins are like brand new tires. So 4 brand new Michelins on this van. Just a real nice van. As I do a walk around, it's hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not gonna say it's perfect. I did notice a little bit of touch-up paint here. Someone probably scraped it along something at one point. I'm not trying to portray this as a perfect van, but I am honest enough to tell you, a couple little small bruises in it, folks. It's 10 years old. It's a great price. It's gonna have little nicks and damages in it. The only difference is I'm honest enough to tell you about them. But overall, super clean, very well taken care of van. And you hear me all the time talk about how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair van. How we do it is simple. There's no magic formula. One, I'm right in the middle of the country. I'm in Wichita, Kansas. What that allows me to do is free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. Obviously saves you money. At the size of a dime there. A couple scratches on the back bumper here. But so free shipping saves you money, and low overhead. We have one location. I want you to imagine my competition with 5, 10, 50, 100 locations. I want you to imagine the overhead they have to spend every month to keep up all those locations. Millions of dollars per year, millions. So how can I beat them by $5,000 or $10,000 per van? Well, my bottom line for rents and employees and utilities, all that fun stuff that goes into running a business, it is so tiny compared to theirs. That's how we save you $5,000 to $10,000. And make sure you get a video of the VIN number. What's going on Facebook? A lot of people are taking pictures of our vehicles. They're cutting off our sign up there, and they're putting the van on this, like $10,000 on the internet, $1,000 deposit. They're trying to get you to send them $1,000 so they can scam you. So you say to them, send me a video of the VIN number. So I'm Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility. I got this van right here in my possession. They couldn't duplicate this sticker right here because they don't have the vans in their possession. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number. What we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see 4 previous owners. Does show an accident reported at one point. I'm going to show that to you. Last owned in nice salt rust-free California. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title van. Carfax shows there's never been structural damage. Does show in July 2014, so almost 10 years ago, the airbag did go off. I'm going to show you a little bit more about that. Odometer's accurate, no open recalls. As we scroll down here, we'll get right to it. It does show July 24th, 2014, so real close to 10 years ago. Damage to the right front. Vehicle was towed with a side airbag deployed. So again, no frame damage, had an airbag go off. It's been 10 years ago. So obviously the van's still functioning just fine. whoever did the repairs on it did them right. So I don't generally buy vans with a blown airbag, but being 10 years old, it's had a 10-year history of performing, and such a clean van at a great price, I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this one. Now, no matter who you do business with, find them online, check out their reviews and reputation. Look at us on eBay. 1,567 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback that's 100%. I would say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you buy from, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Check out their reviews. You can see our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. That 4 and 5 reviews, nope. People can fabricate those reviews, make a fake company, and that's how they scam you. Make sure they have a whole bunch of reviews here. You know, I talk to people all the time. I hear horror stories about people buying from a private individual or one of the dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings here. They end up buying a stolen vehicle. Yes, there are people out there selling stolen vehicles. They end up buying a van with a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, bad transmission, bad engine. Unfortunately, it's a dirty business. So, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experiences, you go ahead and deal with those low-end dealers and the general public. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We do have the 2 key fobs here, and it's got your keyless entry on there. It can do the all the power doors and stuff from the ramp, like from the key fob, like I already showed you. Interior is super clean on this van. The light brown cloth interior, got the power driver's seat over here as well, very clean. I know you've already seen back here, but very nice interior. And as I hop in the van, turn it on, 56,730 miles, super low mileage van. You can see all the dummy lights working, they all go out, so no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights, and I've got 4 mechanics that work for me. They've tested all the power mirrors and windows on this van. I'm going to show you them moving so you know that they work. We test the power locks, the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, front end, taking it on a road test. My point is, we do not just run these vehicles through the car wash and put them on the lot. Lots. I'm even showing you the back vents back there. These go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. So let's pop the hood so you can hear it run. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idle smooth, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. It sounds great. Got a battery here, looks like 923, so a battery, relatively new battery in the van. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident, no signs of any flood damage from being underwater, no signs of any rust from being up north. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it looks good in pictures, they assume because it only has 56,000 miles on it, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. Folks, brand new car dealerships can get flooded. The water does not discriminate. It does not care. I know tons of brand new vehicles with flood damage. My point is, if brand new vehicles can take serious damage, you better believe used ones can. You better get you a detailed video like this. So, no matter who you buy from, I want you to ask yourself, whether it's by competition, another individual, or a dealer, I don't care. But do they show you a detailed video under the vehicle so you can see no water damage, no signs of any floods, no bent metal from an accident? Do they show you the reputation online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a Carfax report so you can see the vehicle's never been in a major accident, has got a clean title, like I said, it's got the airbags, but there's never frame damage, and 10 years ago? And do they get up on top of the roof and show you pictures and video of the roof? You know how many vehicles I see at auction, they have bad hail damage on the roof, or a big gouge in the roof, or a bunch of screws, being used as a taxi, but no one looks at the roof, so that's why they leave it like that. You know who looks at the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who looks at the roof. So make sure you get that video as well. And no matter who you buy from, do not assume those things. Do 4 things. Demand a detailed video. Not some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. You're not buying a pair of Nikes off of eBay. This is a major purchase. Demand that detailed video. Don't settle for some lazy 30-second walk around. Second, demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do that because I want to run the Carfax before I buy the vehicle, and I want to know exactly what I'm getting. I demand Carfax because they are the best. You should too. Next, get online, check out the reputation and reviews. We already talked about this a little bit. Do not be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And then finally, demand a warranty. Our van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty. Good at any shop in the country. Do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty. And here's that roof I talked to you about. Check it out. It's not all beat up. There's no screw holes from being a taxi before. Make sure you get a picture of the roof, because roof damage is very expensive to work on. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this Caravan home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Steering wheel is nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Let me get the cruise control set here. Cruise works good, runs and drives very nice down the highway. Now, if you've never used these hand controls, pushing forward is the brake, pulling down is the gas. So very simple to do. And do keep in mind, our van comes with a 90-day complimentary warranty at no charge to you. We do have longer-term warranties that protect not only the van, but also the conversion. The conversions can be kind of costly to work on. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also, keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight. You name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of shipping and all their hidden fees, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And you notice coming down the ramp, I just gave the van a nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So once again, exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a call or a text, preferably a text, we can answer you much quicker that way. But 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to my cell phone. Now, I want to challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Caravan, whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. As far as financing, it's going to be tough for a 2014. Someone would have to be a well-qualified buyer, you know, good credit history, good debt to income ratio. So that's not up to me, that's up to the banks, just shooting you straight. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether a standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. We can explain how that works. And if you would like to come in to see our inventory, please make that appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you. We're out doing things like this. We've got 3 different locations. We keep vehicles. Help us maximize your time. Let us know what vehicles you're looking at. Let us know what time you're coming in. Let us get organized and ready to go for you. We respect your time. Please do the same for ours. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a major purchase, so I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this of every single van, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call or text us today, and hope you have a wonderful day.